Man, I told everybody.
They ready.
How long we doing?
Let's go.
Yeah, but them boy are big like y'all. Get a girl and just go get your children. Get a girl and just go get your children. Get a girl and just go get.
It's raining. Like, why? Why? I never wanted it to rain. And it's a rain. Like, I was just praying that it would be raining. And it's raining. So I guess we're going to change plans. Hi guys, so I did not tell y'all that I reached St. Thomas. So I reached St. Thomas is big, but I didn't get to go off with my friend. I'm here watching a movie. The movie is called 8. I don't know if it's really bad.
Open the door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, fair. Oh, see, they showed everything 8 times.
Look, so the woman that on me door and I'm putting it out there, so I try to get to you. Guys, only if you watch, I'll show you. I feel I'm gonna change back her clothes because she knelt on the floor. Guys, when the movie done, I come back to you guys. This has stressed me out right now. Like. So we stop at buy jelly. Like, I haven't drank a jelly in about 2 months. You have pumpkin? Alright. Thank you.
It's kind of sweet too.
Mine too. Mine to yours. Oh no, pee-pee.